Hi guys, it is me, Simone. Sorry, there's paint on my hands. I'm painting my walls in my house. So I just got my package in the mail. If you guys did not know, I won. I was one of the winners of Scrapdiva29's giveaway challenge. Thank you so much, Erica. I'm so excited. So I won the Elena Cuddle giveaway bundle that she had. I was so excited but nervous because I wanted to make sure if I did win, I kind of wanted something I didn't have. So there were a couple things there I was like, oh, I hope I don't win that one if I win, you know. But I was still be, happy whatever I get. So this is my little bundle. I put it down because it has my address all over it. So I got this beautiful little card. Oh gosh, how is this a flat? Is this a single card? Yeah, I think so. I almost want to make a bookmark, but it says hip hip hooray around it. It has these beautiful foam balloons on it, this beautiful bow, and then it has stitching detail around it. One of the, what's it called? It's called slimline cards. And I have video coming up of me making my own. Oh, I love this die though. It's a pretty die. And in the back it has this. It's a really gorgeous die. I'm turning some light on. I know it's a little dark in here. Wait, let me do this one. Oh, and over here. I have the, yeah, there you go. That's much better. Sorry. So that's why I got hip hip hooray. It's so pretty. I'm hanging this on my wall. And then the package here is all wrapped in this beautiful tissue paper. So cute. I want to keep it, but I have so much tissue paper. It's not even funny. And you see, I don't know if you guys can see that, but it's like shimmery. There, you can see it. Ooh, look at that. She used a very sequin, like a shimmer tool. Oh, that's so pretty. I'm definitely keeping this tool. Use this in a project. Put this in like my ribbon section, wrap it around something so I can keep it. Okay, so let me move this down. I've been waiting for a while for my Elena Cuddle package to come in. I think she extended my delivery like 2 times already because it's just taking forever. So I have these Elena Cuddle, like kind of like almost confetti flowers, sequin confetti flowers. It's really cute in a beautiful blue color. I have these mermaids. It's like a copper color. I have these beautiful tiny little iridescent clear sequins. Oh, they're so cute. Glitter all over my hands. Okay, let me move out the way here. So I have this one here, and this is a stamp from her. Do I have some paper I can use for y'all so you can see these better? Okay, I'll use this paper I have on my desk. I have not been crafting a while, so my desk is just has stuff on it from my last haul I did. So this one says, hope that you will soon be feeling strong and singing a cheerful song. Good health, good luck, and happiness for today and every day. Get well soon. Get well soon. It's like basically like a get well soon kind of thing. I don't have really anything like this. So this is awesome. I have some peel and sticker, pearl stickers. Peel and stickers. Pearl stickers. I have this beautiful little basket die. I think it's Easter themed because I think I see some eggs on here, but I have to cut it out to see. But I think it's Easter themed. It's really cute. I have this tiny little flower, and I have this frame with flowers and little swirlies, and then hummingbirds, and I think it's a dove, or it's another hummingbird. I mean, yeah, it's a hummingbird, right? I don't know. Kind of reminds me of a dove holding like a twig or something. Oh, and this one. Oh, this has to be my favorite. I love this one here. Look at this one. It's like a very ornate die, and it has 2 pieces so you can layer this up. And you can even do a sequin shaker out of this as a background. Oh, it's so pretty. Oh, it's so gorgeous. I'm so excited to dig in. And I have another little card to hang up a little project I can hang up somewhere. But I'm so excited. Thank you so much, Erica, for the goodies. I'm so glad I won. I'm so nervous. I didn't even know I won until before I even looked at her video and realized she posted the video of the winners. Someone had messaged me on Instagram and was like, congratulations, I loved your entry. I was like, wait, what? I won? And like, oh, I just got home from work, so I was so excited. But this beautiful sequence, like sparkly tulle, and it sheds like crazy though, but it's so gorgeous. But I'm so excited, guys. I love you so much. Have a great day, and look out for my giveaway video coming soon. I just hit 500 subscribers, or I hit like a couple weeks ago, but so please look out for that. I'm going to do one for my international viewers, and then one for some of my US viewers. So stay tuned, and for that one, it is going to be a challenge. Make it a little interesting since I'm 500. I'm so excited. Much love, get crafty, and I will see you guys in a bit.